This is an attempt at a quick fix or even a cheater's fix on this custom-sized bifold door. I'll be using these repair brackets, which are available on Amazon and also in the store at Home Depot. Cost about $5. I've also picked up a new hardware kit for about an additional $8, just because if I'm messing with it, I'd like to be sure that all the pieces are working well. Let's take a look at what's going on here. The pin that holds this door and allows it to pivot has become loose in the door, meaning when you open it, it will often just fall straight off. Let's pull this off, take a look, and see what we can do with it. Taking a look at this pivot pin, it already has a repair patch on the back. The wood has apparently split at one point in time. Pretty loose in here. There are angle brackets as repair brackets that are made for these. Probably what I should have bought, but I don't have them now, so I'm going to see what I can do to put this together and make it work. Let's take a look. With all of the prior damage to the wood here, this bracket is probably inadequate, but since I've got it, I'm giving it a try. I've flared it out a little bit to go over the damaged area. The pivot pin is on a bit of an angle, but let's see if that'll get us by for now. What I truly need is a new door, or at minimum, the corner brackets to try to put this together and make it work. So let's see if this is a success as a temporary fix or not. Cheater's fix, bifold door. So this door is pretty well destroyed. I'm not sure how much assistance these brackets have added. The pin is back in. It's on a bit of an angle, but the bottom line is, for the time being, the door functions again. So as a cheater's fix, it'll work for now. I'll touch these up with paint and see how long it lasts. Who knows? The door's been a mess, obviously, for years. This house was built in 1998, so it's been a while. Not a badly built door, but it's in bad shape and will eventually need replacing. For the time being, this rather difficult cheater's fix has succeeded temporarily. $5 well invested. The extra parts I will return to Amazon as they were not necessary, so a $5 fix, keeping the door working for now.